Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the best SEI airdrops to do now. SEI is a very important layer 1 solution and it's very competitive right now. You can see, for example, in this chart how it has the double of transactions than Solana, and like always in my videos I'm going to tell you exactly how you can participate on many airdrops for the SEI ecosystem at once, and some particular airdrops that are already confirmed, and even testnet airdrops that are confirmed that you can earn. So this video is very complete for you if you want to start on the SEI airdrop ecosystem. I would recommend you to check the video until the end because you are going to get a very valuable information here. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, SEI is the fastest layer 1 blockchain designed to scale with the industry according to their website. Very important protocol because it's at position 49 right now. You can go and check in CoinGecko, 63 cents the token. We covered the airdrop of SEI from a while, so you can go to, for example, the app.sei.io and you can check to claim your airdrop if you didn't do it before. If not, you can participate now buying the tokens and getting into this amazing protocol to earn free airdrops with no effort, and I'm going to tell you why. So the ecosystem is not big, but many airdrops can be earned during this year because we are really early also. And like with Cosmos ecosystem for staking Atom, or TIA for Celestia, or Osmos for Osmosis, Kushi for Kushira, many of those protocols I already covered it, and you can stake those tokens and get airdrops from the new projects. So the same happens with SEI. We can stake SEI in a validator and get airdrops for the passive staking during 2024, and passive airdrops for the new projects that probably will going to give airdrops for that. The website is sei.io. You can explore everything here. Like I mentioned, they compare, for example, with Solana with 20,000 transactions per second against the 10,000 of Solana. But anyways, a very important part of this is going to the ecosystem, and you can check here all the projects that I already officially launched here on the SEI ecosystem. We are going to go now to the application of SEI. This is the app.sei.io. You can claim the airdrop if you didn't do this before. We covered this airdrop in the past. What I want to show you is that if you connect your wallet, you only have Compass and Fin. These are the most recent added wallets for the SEI ecosystem and the most common for this ecosystem. But if you, like me, you don't want to have hundreds of new wallets, you can use your Keplr wallet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But the first point of my tutorial is, if you want, you can use Compass or download the Compass or Fin. I would recommend you Compass for this one. It's much easier to stake, but I'm going to show you also the way with your Keplr. If you have this, you just go to the app of SEI, like I mentioned. Once you have your wallet, you go to staking, and here you are going to see all the validators. So select one validator, try to go below the first 20 or 15. Click the validator that you want, and you will be able to click and stake your SEI tokens. First, you will need to have SEI tokens, of course, but you can get it from a central exchange and send it to your wallet on Compass or Fin. So that will be the easiest way to do this, and then in your delegations, you're going to see how much SEI you are staking in that validator. Automatically doing that, you are going to be participating on this passive airdrop income. So usually projects that launch a new airdrop could get rewards of tokens for the ones that have been applying into the security and growth of the network, and you do that putting your tokens in any validators here. So that is the step 1, doing Compass and Fin. Doing Keplr is a little more tricky, but I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need to buy your SEI tokens using, for example, your Atoms or funds in Osmosis. So that will be the step 1. Then you go to Yieldmos and select the chain SEI, and you will be able to connect at that point your Keplr into the SEI Mainnet network. Then you do a withdraw in your Osmosis asset using the EBC bridge into SEI, and then you will be able to stake your SEI tokens into a validator using Yieldmos. It's going to be the same, and you also are going to receive the reward for the airdrop like you do it in the app of SEI. But right now that application is not directly valid with Keplr, so you need to do these steps. So let's go and do it so you don't miss these steps. So first I go to the app of Osmosis I'm going to be heading to the swap section. I will connect my Keplr wallet. So connect your Keplr wallet. At this point, I, for example, have some atom here. I will change Osmo there for SEI. So we are going to be using right now my Osmo wallet connected into the Cosmos ecosystem. I will say that I want to trade one Atom token for 15 SEI tokens at this moment. I will do the swap. And guys, my recommendation of course is to stake at least $250 in SEI. So that means around 500 SEI tokens at the current value, around that. I say this because many airdrops are going to reward only validators from a specific amount, and if you only stake in a validator 10 SEI tokens, you may not qualify. So just to be sure, my recommendation, put more than $250. If you can't, $100 probably is going to help you and serve you for some airdrops, but you may be in risk that be out of some airdrops. So for me, I prefer to be sure that I will get any possible airdrop. So 250 is my number. So after you do this, you will see that if you go to your assets, you will see your SEI token here. So now let's go to yelmos.com, and here I will connect my wallet. So I will connect my Keplr wallet, and here in chains you can search for SEI, and you click there, you will be sent here. Here is where we are going to delegate our SEI tokens. So I already have some tokens here, but the first time that you connect here, you are going to see the pop-up of your Keplr wallet connecting into the SEI network. After doing that, you can open your Keplr, you can go here to manage visibility, and here you will be able to see your SEI network and click it to have it available, right? I would recommend you to do the same with the testnet. So have this available on your Keplr. You need to save that and you will be done. So now you are already connected with your Keplr to Yelmos, and what we need to do in order to get our tokens there is that we go here on the SEI to withdraw. So that sends us to tfm.com, and we need to do this ABC transfer. So we send our SEI token from Osmosis to SEI. So you can select here the total amount of the balance, click on transfer and confirm. So doing this, you are going to be able to get your SEI tokens on the correct network. And here you can see the full route of what you are doing right now. So wait a little bit until this is finished. And after that is finished, you are going to be able to go to Yelmos. And now that you have available balance here, you see and click on add validator. And here you can search the validator that you want. You can also search the validator here on app.say.io. For example, let's say that I want to stake in active nodes, so I can search it now here in Yelmos. Active nodes, 5% fee is the same that many, so I will stake 29 SEI here. Remember, I will recommend you to put the value of $250. This is only $20, but after you do that, just click on delegate. You are going to be connecting your chain and delegating. Confirm the transaction, and you can see that the transaction was successfully done. So now my total stake is already in the SEI community being delegated there. Of course, you can down here redelegate to another validator or take out your delegation if you want, but you are going to receive a percentage. This is a 5.3 APY. Very interesting to earn some rewards in the meantime. So this is the way with Keplr, a little more difficult than if you just download Compass and do it on the app of SEI. I am expecting that they will have Keplr in the near future, so probably soon we are going to be able to get it here. So sorry for that, but that was point 2. I think it's very important, but there are not many tutorials on how to use your Keplr with SEI, so I think that was important. Now let's go to step 3. This is check Defillama for protocols in SEI without the token. So here you have to Defillama. I already did the research. You can see there are a couple of protocols here. We already got the Levana Perpetuals airdrop in the past. So that was at the beginning of January. So we already did that airdrop. And here you have a couple of native protocols for SEI. For example, Kryptonite. This is a project that already has a token. It's at position 925, so I will not recommend you to do anything here because there's not an airdrop already confirmed or anything like that. The protocol is really interesting, so if you want to use it, but I am not expecting an airdrop right now from Kryptonite, so that is why I will not include it on this list. But the protocol for sure is the first one and the best one on SEI ecosystem. So the ones that we have is Silo Stake. You can see only one chain, which is SEI. Then we have Fusio and we have CSwap. These two I don't recommend you. I think they are dead or are a scam. So the only one that I recommend right now is Silo. So that in my step 3, you can see that Fusio website is down, so avoid that. CSwap Twitter is down, so avoid it. The only one, but also of course consider the risk, is Silo staking. So this is a liquid staking protocol. Right now they have a 1.36 million total value log, so it's not too much. Maybe you want to wait until we have more solid confirmation of the protocol, but they probably are going to do an airdrop at some point. So you stake SEI and you receive 8 SEI tokens in rewards while you stake. So it's very common project with liquid staking mechanism. Here you have the Twitter account, they are active, but yeah, of course you have risk doing this, but this is one of the protocols that could give you an airdrop in the future. Moving into step 4, we have SEI inscriptions. Of course this is also risky. We covered the XRC20 inscriptions before, so maybe this could worth something and get a token in the future, who knows. But if you want to try it, here is the URL for the website. So you have here SEI20. This is the first SEI20 inscription ecosystem. So again, you connect your wallet, you deploy, do the actions here in order to participate. You have the marketplace. These are the most important tokens right now that you can buy in order to speculate in the future. So it's very similar of what we did already with XRC20 ecosystem. Now we move to step 5, which is Pallet exchange. This is a big NFT marketplace on SEI. Buy NFT, trade, everything that you do in an NFT marketplace. Token could be launched and maybe an airdrop. This is speculative, there are no confirmations, but this is a very interesting protocol. Pallet exchange, you can go here, is a very common NFT marketplace. You can check the collections, and then once you are logging here, you can see your activity, of course. So check everything about Pallet, and if you are interested in speculating in these possible airdrops, just buy and sell some NFTs there. The project looks very legit. Of course, take in consideration that this is a new ecosystem, SEI, so be careful with everything that you do. Now I want to move into a couple of confirmed airdrops that actually are in testnet, so you don't need to spend money. The first one and most important is YAKA. This is a confirmed airdrop. It's a native liquidity hub on SEI, blending a unique DX with a launchpad. So do the task in the airdrop section. This is a testnet, so it's free and you don't need to spend any money. So go here to the URL of YAKA, click on connect. You can use, in this case, Keplr, like you can see there. You are going to be using the SEI testnet. So if you need SEI tokens for this from the faucet, you can go here, click on faucet, and you are going to be redirected to the Atlantic 2 app of SEI. Here you need to put your address, your Discord, and put the address of your SEI, and you are going to receive the testnet token for SEI. I have 2 here. So for example, I can do a swap, I can enter liquidity, and here you have the airdrop section. So go and get these achievements. Completing swaps in 4 specific pools, providing liquidity in 4 specific pools, complete locket testing, complete bot testing, complete launchpad testing. So do all that and you are going to receive these points that eventually are going to be part of this airdrop on YAKA. I think it's very interesting. You are participate on a free confirmed airdrop. You also can click check here and take your referred points. So YAKA is my first airdrop on SEI that is free, is testnet, so I recommend you to do it. Now step 7, this is QUESTIFY. This is another airdrop confirmed, gamify an NFT and more. This is also in the testnet, so go to the QUESTIFY URL, and again you are going to connect with your testnet of SEI protocol. Once you are there, you can launch this game. You can go to the game part, to the quest, and of course here are the instructions. So the reward pool, here is the session 1, so go to your profile, complete your quest and get access to SEI Battle Pass, get loot boxes and win NFTs and tokens from all the ecosystem and unlock it on Mainnet. So here you have some of the instructions for this airdrop, and here you can see all the competitors, the leaderboard. So this is another way to participate on this airdrop. So here in the quest you can claim the daily login. This is going to give you one of the completion of this QUESTIFY quest. Then you have this, for example, to log in every day from a week. So to play you need to click there, connect your wallet here. This is on the SEI testnet and play now. So you can play easy, medium or hard. So yeah, this is going to give you all the different points for this quest in order to participate on this airdrop. And to finalize, another possible airdrop is the KAWA, which is a DeFi lending and borrow project. This is also testnet, so you really don't need to spend any money. So go to the beta of KAWA, there you have the link. And here is very easy. You connect your Keplr wallet again with SEI. Then you go to borrow and lend, and it's very easy to do. Just click here, click on deposit. You can put some of your testnet balance here to deposit. So confirm the transactions that is happening, of course, on the testnet of SEI. After you do that, you are going to be able to go to the borrow section and also borrow some SEI tokens. And you can see here you have a leaderboard with all the transactions that you have been doing. And KAWA here is a cross-chain permissionless borrow and lending protocol liquidity on the SEI network, so it's really native to SEI. Check more information in the Twitter account in order to be up to date with all the protocol news. Well guys, you can see here 4-5 possible airdrops on the SEI ecosystem, plus the way on how you can stake SEI tokens using Keplr or using the native wallets of Compass and Fin. Doing all that, you are really set to get passive airdrops on SEI and some active airdrops that I just covered. We are going to continue covering the SEI ecosystem, of course, but for now, apply to this video and all these steps in order to be in a great position for the SEI ecosystem. Before we leave, remember that I have my subscriptions here. If you really want to be an alpha on airdrops, you need to be in my Discord. I cannot be 24 hours on YouTube making YouTube videos about all. So in my Discord we have different channels for airdrop claiming, new airdrops, appliances, questions if you are new into crypto or airdrops, crypto projects, strategies and much more. We of course focus on airdrops but also in crypto in general, and I've developed an application to apply to all my airdrops and custom airdrops from another sources. So if you want to have a way to organize your airdrop appliance, to organize how to apply it to airdrops and what tasks you did, what you are missing and everything, here you have a video on how my app works. We are doing more changes and updates to my app. It's the best application in the market. Nobody else has been doing an airdrop application like me. I am an airdrop hunter and this is the best tools that you're going to get. My Discord and my airdrops is a game changer if you want to make money in airdrops during 2024. That will be all guys. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState, where I post live actions that I do on airdrops and much more. CryptoCState in Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.